Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. Several riddles are going viral on social media, and one such riddle is at a four-legged table riddle. It is also known as how many legs under the table riddle. Let's take a look at the riddle first before finding the answer. Try solving the riddle by yourself before checking the solution. The four-legged table riddle goes like this. At a four-legged table, there is one grandma, two mothers, two daughters, and a granddaughter. How many legs are under the table? Understand the riddle properly before attempting. Let me repeat the riddle. At a four-legged table, there is one grandma, two mothers, two daughters, and a granddaughter. How many legs are under the table? Feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Do subscribe to the channel for the newest videos watching. Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Let me explain the solution now. The answer to the riddle is 10. Let me explain how. The four table legs are also included in the answer since the riddle doesn't ask how many human legs are under the table. Thus, the first four legs belongs to the table, but the rest are a little trickier to work out. To cut a long story short, there are three people sat around the table. Let me explain how. The riddle says there is a grandma, two mothers, two daughters, and a granddaughter at the table. However, it doesn't state that there are six people. In fact, there are only three people sitting at the table: a grandmother, her daughter, and a granddaughter. The grandmother and her daughter are both mothers, and the granddaughter and the daughter are both daughters. So to further simplify, we have a grandmother who is also a mother, her daughter who is both a mother and a daughter, and her granddaughter who is a daughter and granddaughter. So now we have the number of mothers and daughters sat around the table. That is, total numbers are 3. Which in turn means there are 6 human legs at the table belonging to these 3 people, which means there is a total of 10 legs under the table. Although the answer is believed by many to be 16, that is only the case if there are 6 people at the table, but the riddle actually hints through the family structure that there are only 3 people sitting at the table. You could also argue that there are 22 legs under the table if the 3 women are sat on 4-legged chairs, but the riddle just states that the 3 women are at the table, not necessarily sat at the table. Though these kind of riddles looks very simple, but there are multiple interpretations and it is trickier to solve. Do share your interpretation in the comment section. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.